Hello guys, Kieran from the KSG channel here, and I'm making a video on my Shark Navigator. This one's not a lift-away version, just a Shark Navigator bagless upright vacuum cleaner. I've been cleaning this up for the past couple of days, and this video is for Jimmy06 because he likes shark vacuums. So this vacuum's like about, let's say it's about 7 years old or so. It actually has one attachment, which is this weird brush and crevice tool attachment, all in one. Which that just goes there. And then it has the detachable wand here with the handle, and then you can detach it from here as well. Then you can just hook up to your attachments. You got your power button here. You can turn off the brush hole here. This is like, in addition to the brush hole, there's like a brush hole indicator. Like if it gets stuck or something, that thing lights up, I think. I don't know much about sharks, so I'm just guessing here. This is what you do. This is a button that you press to detach your canister. You also got a filter underneath the canister, which filters out, well, particles. And then the motor's underneath there. In addition to filters, we also have a motor carbon filter here, which I don't think you need to clean, but, well, I didn't clean it. I don't know if you need to clean it. If you do, let me know. You also got a cord hook on the wand here. Nothing special. You can also squeeze these tabs to remove the hose in case there's clogs. In addition to that, there's also down here, there's this little thing that you can take out to access the hose if there's any clogs. And then you take this out, and you just pull on this, and then you can unclog it from here. Just push that in, slide it to the right, or slide it to the left, and just snap that back in. You got your cord on the right, 2 cord hooks. You can just ravel it up here. You can take a look underneath at the brush roll. I got this all cleaned up. It's still pretty dirty under here, but you can't really take this apart. It's kind of hard to take it apart, so I only took like all the hair off of this and stuff. But the brush roll's in pretty good shape. The bristles do come out pretty good. They do touch the rug. I used this a couple months ago, briefly, and it didn't really have that great of suction, so I didn't really use it that well. You got 2 buttons here, like if you wanted to take off the top. You also have like this little core thing in the middle that you can take out, and that's where all the hair wraps around. And then you press this to remove all the dirt. Got a little message here for suction loss if that does happen. And we'll just demonstrate this real quick. I have not tried this at all yet, so we're gonna see how this works. No, I don't want to take the whole, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay. Just so I don't blind myself. All right, let's see how this works. So yeah, actually has some pretty good suction. We already have something in the canister. Oh, look at this. Wow. And I vacuumed over here already. So that works. Works good as well. So I hope you guys like this, or hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share as always. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, guys.